to sit down, relax, and enjoy the rest of the day. In behalf of Jerry and Romanes, we would like to express their heartfelt gratitude for your presence at this memorable occasion. It is indeed a pleasure to have you all this morning.
First off, we would like to introduce the family and friends who played significant parts in the morning's wedding rites. May I introduce you to the people who stood witness to the couple as they took their vows. Let's put our hands together and welcome the principal sponsor.
Please stand and be acknowledged as your name is called. Mr. Reneo Calo,
Mrs. Amalia Calo,
Mr. George Oksho,
Mrs. Lisel Oxo,
Mr. Glenn Rodriguez,
Mrs. Sheila Rodriguez,
Mr. Danilo Montuya,
Mrs. Marisa Montuya,
Mr. Nestor Cabanyo,
Mrs. Pilar Cabaño,
Mr. Bando Sampiano,
Mrs. Marleta Quiñones,
Mr. Eduardo Topiano,
Mrs. Elizabeth Sopiano,
Mr. Norman Resurrection,
Mrs. Lecha Resurrection,
Mr. Crisostomo Cadumo,
Mrs. Elizabeth Cadumo,
Mrs. Norma Catuban,